There is something about property co-ownership that no one is talking about, and that I am about to tell you right now. To co-own a property means having two or more people of the same goal secure a property together. Have you heard of joint venture, where somebody owns the land and the other person brings money to build on the property, and at the end of the game, they have some agreements on percentage sharing? When you hear to co-own a property, you might overthink it, and that makes you feel some insecurity. You might have questions like, what if I want to sell and the other person refuses? What if they register the property in their name? What if my partner ghosts me after buying in? All these fears are real, but can be manageable with proper structure. But first, let's talk about the benefits of property co-ownership. There are chances that you've been approaching this co-ownership thing the wrong way if you have co-owned with someone before and the whole process was all messy. Here is what you should do. Invest through a vetted co-ownership platform or a developing company. Identify and understand your investment goal. Is it for residential, for rental income, for land banking, or for development? Engage a legal advisor to draft a co-ownership or joint venture agreement. Choose a high-growth area with good ROI potential. Get a neutral property manager and have a clear exit terms and ownership percentages. In Nigeria, property co-ownership is a tool that makes real estate investment more accessible, reducing financial burden and allowing everyone to benefit from the rapid appreciating property market. I know you have a pool of questions, and that is why I have made slides of frequently asked questions and a pre-co-ownership checklist to guide you through your informed decisions. If you are ready to start winning as a real estate investor in Nigeria, connect with me via the link in my bio and get this FAQ to answer all your questions.